What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Macbeth. If you're new here, hi. Consider subscribing, click the link so that you never miss out and be part of the McNugget family. Today we're going to be working on my 2013 BMW 328i. A lot of you guys don't even know I have this car, but I bought this in March of this year because I desperately needed a daily driver. If you guys know anything about living in the tri-state area, it's that when you have a lowered car, you're just asking for some problems. So between the FRS and the Z, that was a big no, and I went ahead and I got this car from Carvana, not sponsored. Okay, we're not gonna talk about my chichos, but today we're gonna be installing R1 Concept. Ugh, these are heavy. R1 Concept rotors and brake pads. If you don't know, I've been with R1 Concept since 2016. They have sponsored the FRS, the Z, the Evo, and now the BMW. So it's safe to say that I trust them with my life. These are drill slotted logo silver zinc rotors, and they have the R1 Concept logos all around, and in the back they're just plain drilled slotted. So these are extremely heavy. I'm gonna put them down before I hurt myself. And these are the Optimum OEP series brake pads from R1 Concepts, and they're pretty thick, so let's get to the installation. And you're gonna keep this little bracket, put it to the side. I have these hooks that a subscriber sent to me a long time ago when I was doing the brakes and rotors on the Z. I don't remember your name, but thank you for these. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the caliper. Just be careful. There we go. Should come out like that. We're gonna go ahead and hook this on to the coilover or anything that you see that can hold it. So that is what the old brake pad looks like. As you guys know, this is my crack, so be careful in inhaling this. Go ahead and line everything up. I'm gonna make sure that this little hole matches with this one. And just like that. I think this just keeps it in place. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way down yet until I figure out if this is flush. Is it flush? Looks like it's kind of flush, yeah. Okay. My shop is hotter than my OnlyFans. I'm not gonna lie to you, I hate this tool. I hate this so much. Every single time I do brakes and rotors and I have to push back this piston, I don't get the lever, and it bent because I had a seized caliper on the 350 a while back, but it's so annoying and it's so hard to work with. I'm sure someone else has better luck, but I just don't like this tool. I'm gonna go ahead and put some anti-seize on the top of the friction points. Not too much though. Make sure you don't get it on the actual caliper because that would suck. Just put it on the bottom. Cool. Just be very careful because this thing gets everywhere. Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put my nuts back on. You have to put some lubricant on that. And coat it, you know, even there. That's good, yeah, like that. Make sure you don't get the threads lubricated, so if anything, you can just go in with a cleaning thing. What they look like, I absolutely love it. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm tired. I want to go home and just lay in bed. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.